Have you ever pondered the profound mystery of subjective experience, how the physical world gives rise to our inner feelings, thoughts, and sensations? It is one of philosophy's most enduring puzzles, challenging our fundamental understanding of reality itself. Panpsychism is indeed considered by many philosophers to be a valuable, though highly debated, contender for solving what is known as the hard problem of consciousness. It offers a radical departure from traditional views, suggesting a new way to bridge the gap between mind and matter. The hard problem of consciousness asks why and how physical processes in the brain give rise to rich, qualitative, subjective experiences, also known as qualia. It is hard because consciousness does not seem to fit neatly into our standard physical explanations of the universe. Panpsychism attempts to solve this by postulating that consciousness, or proto-consciousness, is a fundamental and ubiquitous property of the universe, rather than an emergent phenomenon arising from complex brain structures. This means consciousness is not created by the brain, but rather, the brain acts as a complex organizer of already existing conscious elements. To evaluate panpsychism, consider its implications. If consciousness is fundamental, then even elementary particles might possess a rudimentary form of experience. This forces us to re-examine our assumptions about the nature of reality. It means shifting from a view where consciousness appears out of nowhere to one where it is always present, structured and organized in different ways. This perspective encourages us to explore how these basic conscious elements might combine to form the complex conscious experiences we know. This theory directly addresses the explanatory gap in neuroscience and philosophy of mind. Key concepts here include the combination problem, which asks how micro-experiences of fundamental particles integrate into macro-experiences, and constitutive panpsychism, which suggests our consciousness is literally constituted by the consciousness of our constituent parts. Think of the philosopher Galen Strawson, who argues that physicalism implies panpsychism, because if everything is physical and consciousness exists, then consciousness must be a physical property. Ultimately, panpsychism offers a profoundly different lens through which to view consciousness, compelling us to reconsider the very fabric of existence. It compels a deeper philosophical inquiry into the relationship between mind, matter, and the intricate, beautiful mystery of subjective experience, opening new avenues for understanding our place in the universe.